on eBay, and I think I mentioned in my previous, that was over 100 video, the Armani pants. And then next item was those Coach Richmond sneakers. They're gorgeous. I bought them for myself on thredup, and I paid $30 already with shipping and tax included. They're just beautiful, all leather, but when I put them on, they just, I don't know, didn't feel right. And there was a bunch of likes. I listed them. They sold within, I don't know, half hour for $65, and I paid $30. So next one was BCBG Max Azria dress, new with tag, that sold for $50, and I paid $8 for it. Next item that actually, this is from thredup. I really got annoyed with this one because it was Ralph Lauren black label white pants that I tried to sell for a while by myself, and I sent to thredup, but they messed up and they listed it at first as Ralph Lauren regular. So I raised the price and I contacted them. I'm like, hey, this is not the regular stuff. This is the high-end label, black label. So, you know, I should be able to price it higher than that, because I could only price it at $54.99. That was the highest. So they contacted me saying like, oh, we're so sorry. We're going to put it on hold and we're going to change it. So they changed it, but the moment, you know, it passed that they changed it and they made it available, and I missed the moment to change the price, so they end up selling like that for $54.99. Somebody used coupon for 44, so it was 44. My commission was $14.52, but I guess it's okay because I got them for free. So, but I could have made a lot more on them. Okay, so we have now Mercari over 50, and this is just recent sales. I'm not even long on Mercari anyway. So first item that sold for over 50 was this Michael Kors dress. It was 2XL. So what this dress had going for it, I don't always pick up Michael Kors, and I still think it sells, but lower. This one sold pretty good because it sold for $61. So what I got was $52.83, and I paid $10 for it. But what really made it worth it was that it was plus size and it was new with tag. So, you know, you got to make your own decisions, but I thought that was worth it and it had a lot of interest. I probably could have sold it for even more if I waited, but that was a good deal anyway. Next item was this Ted Baker dress that was just waiting for me at the Goodwill. I had item to exchange at Goodwill that I didn't see. It was like damaged, and I just had my husband and kids in the car, and they were, you know, I had no time. Okay, so I needed quickly to exchange this item, pick up something to exchange it for, and there I walk in, and the second item that I touched was this Ted Baker new dress, new without tags. And it was just beautiful, had like rose gold logos, and it was black. It was beautiful. Anyway, I bought it for that $5.99, and it was originally $90. Oh, it sold for $90. My commission was $78.09. Next item was Citizen of Humanity black jeans. And I didn't know, but this style was popular, so it ended up selling for $71, and my commission was $61.54, and I paid $6 for them. So sometimes it's worth it. Some sit forever, but I think like high-waisted is the way to go. Next item was this vintage Coach Rumbler bag, and I believe I paid $20 for it. It sold for $68. My commission was $58.93. I also had some other like Apple iPad and Samsung, which were mine, and they both sold for around 100. Okay, so now we're going to Poshmark sales, and I clearly see that I gotta go with the vintage coach. You'll see why. So first item that sold for over 50 was this Coach vintage ox blood bag that sold for $59, and I was selling them really fast except for one that I still have. It was sold for $59. My commission was $45.70, and I paid $15. Next bag was vintage Coach bucket, and it sold for $50. My commission was $40. I paid $10. Next was this United Nude, which is definitely a Bolo brand. I will post the picture. I just saw those unique shoes, and I had no idea of this brand, but I saw it's all leather. They were beautiful and artistic, and I got them for $13. They sold for $50. My commission was $32.55. And again, all those items I could have waited and sold for more, but I am more about just quick flip. You know, I don't have space. Vintage Coach Willis sold for $65. Commission was $52, and I paid $13. Next item was this Coach Rose Gold bag, which I bought for myself brand new, and it was $250. I used it for some time, and I got a new bag, and I just end up selling it for $52. My commission is $40.10. Coach extra large bag that I paid $10 for. It sold for $56. My commission is $42.34. Next was this Azazi dress, which I got free from a friend. It sold for $68. My commission is $54.40. It did have a few spots, so I had to put a little bit of work and clean it and stuff, but it was free. The next one was this Coach Red Legacy bag, and I paid $13. It sold for $50. My commission was $40. Next item was this vintage Coach Rumbler, Coach, that sold for $65. Commission was $52, and I paid $20. Next, this was this was jacket from laundry. It was new with tag. I bought it from Nordstrom Rack for $24.04, and it sold for $65, and my commission was $52. So I guess I doubled my money, but then again, it came to me when that was during the pandemic, so I didn't have to source other than online. And then next item was this Fry Veronica boots, which I found on Poshmark, and with shipping they came up to be $20.99. They sold for $72. My commission was $55.48. So what do we learn here? You should definitely try to see, maybe there's items on Poshmark or thredup that you can just flip and double your money, or go with vintage Coach pretty much, or source at bins if you're able, because otherwise there's less profit for sure, and you know, more you pay then less you get, right? Except for items that really sell for a lot more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you some idea of what to buy and what's worth it, what's not. I am definitely still gonna continue sending to thredup and Real Real and see how it goes. And I mean, low work, the least amount of work, that's the best thing, you know. You still get profit sitting at home doing nothing. So, you know, you gotta make your own choices. But again, thanks for watching. This is Natalia from Mamatime, Mamatimeposh. Please like and subscribe and share. Help me get a little bit more views. Thank you so much. Bye.